Error code 5051 indicates a print go error. It usually occurs when the next print trigger arrives before the current print has finished. To resolve it, reduce the character width so printing completes faster. Adjust this parameter on the edit screen. Reduce the width here. For example, if it is 0.29 or 0.39, adjust it to about 0.20.